Hey guys, I am Azhar, founder of the Techsurface Education. I want to share a research of mine. Most of the service business requires some technical knowledge of today's life. If you want to become a businessman or a serviceman, it is necessary to learning about the computer. We who lived in garden is constantly ignoring it. Think about yourself. Think about your business. Think about your service. If you did not accept technology, the time will push you to it, and that moment you cannot escape from it. So, and believe me, it is literally helping us, not only for business, not only for service. We actually lived in digital world, especially my Ustagar brothers. Please accept it, otherwise we cannot survive in this digital world. According to Google, in future 5 years, the wheel of human life totally moving on technology. So here I have some courses for you, which is lowest by price and by quality it is highest. You can personally call me on 8961 or mail us at techsurfaceeducation@gmail.com. Thank you. Take care.